Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can delete your Digistore24 account. Now they don't have a separate option for this, and you need to write them an email, but first you need to meet some criteria. So I'm on the Help Digistore24 website, and here's the criteria which we need to meet before deleting our account. No more outstanding balances, no active products, no participation in active subscriptions. Now, what if we meet that criteria? Well, then you have to write them an email. If you meet the criteria, send an email to consultants@digistore24.com and make sure you include your Digistore24 ID. You can very easily get it if you go to Digistore24's website. Now, if we meet all of that criteria, I'm just going to go to my Gmail and we want to compose a new email. I'm just gonna click compose. Make sure the email which you are, or the participant, the receiver, is consultants@digistore24.com, and the subject should be delete my Digistore24 account. So you need to write your ID here, just complete it, whatever your ID might be, and then you write them something like, I would like to close my Digistore24 account. Kind regards, blah blah, so on and so forth. So that is how you do it. They should honor your claim and close your accounts. So hope you found this video useful. If you did, leave a like and sub. I'll leave this article in the description as well as in the comments, probably just description. So I'll see you boys and girls next time. Take care.